Yes, sir. Today forecast you can brief.
That severe cyclone named Nisarga that made its landfall over North Konkan, that is in the North Maharashtra side, just south of the place called Alibag. While it was crossing over to the land region, it was having a wind speed of 100 to 120 kilometers per hour. So once these cyclones, when they make the landfall, they weaken very drastically and the wind speed gets decreased very quickly. As of now, it has been moving northeast direction in the landmass, and now it has totally crossed over to the land area. Its landfall started at a time between 12:30 p.m. today and took almost 3 to 4 hours for the entire center of the cyclone to cross over to the landmass. So now regarding that, the rainfall and wind that Goa was experiencing, that is going to slowly reduce by today late evening. When this, but the as long as the system remains, that will keep the winds over Goa region southwesterly. So we are expecting today also to have some rainfall, even though it will not be as intense as it was yesterday. IMD has continued with its warning, and for tomorrow we have issued like isolated heavy rainfall chance. That is not an orange warning, that's a lower category of warning, yellow color warning. Now regarding the rainfall that we have received in past 24 hours, IMD had forecasted that one or two places in Goa may receive heavy to very heavy rainfall. That means rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters. And today we have got a report that the stations in Marmagoa and Panaji both reported rainfall of 132 mm, that is 13 centimeter, and 127 mm, that is again near to 13 centimeter. So two stations have reported very heavy rainfall over Goa, and remaining 4 to 5 stations have reported heavy rainfall. Now tomorrow we are not expecting activity to be this intense, but still, considering that the clouds will be coming from southwest direction again because of the presence of the system, we have issued with continued with its forecast of isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall. Now the, like I told, once the system moves away and away, like now it is approximately 400 kilometers away from Panji. As it keeps on moving, the intensity of wind and intensity of rainfall will reduce. And for third day, that is today's 3rd of June, 4th and 5th onwards, we don't have any rainfall warnings or wind warnings existing.
So no cyclone for Goa now. We are safe.
Goa has, cyclone has moved away much from Goa to have any severe or disastrous impact as of now.
So we can accept that this monsoon has been started.
Monsoon has not yet been started. What rain that Goa was receiving till now was due to the impact of cyclone. Now, to move further, for monsoon currents to move further, the system has to totally die out, and then we will have to observe how the conditions for or the criteria for monsoon are existing over Goa. And there are, apart from rainfall, there are many atmospheric conditions, many conditions related to atmospheric parameters like the wind speed, wind direction at different levels of atmosphere, how much water vapor is there in the mid tropospheric levels. So we will have to monitor and see whether these conditions are getting satisfied. As of now, we can say that there won't be any monsoon onset today or tomorrow because all these rains were because of the cyclone that was passing near Goa.
When we can accept this monsoon will come in Goa.
Like I told, we'll have to see like in the days after tomorrow how the rainfall is catching up with how the parameters are over Goa for monsoon onset. Generally, we can say we can expect monsoon onset before 10th, because usually when such severe systems die out, the rainfall amount will be much lesser what it was there then. Like if cyclone is there, we'll get huge rainfall, and then cyclone dies out, the rainfall quantity will be much lesser than what it was giving. So there are chances that after 2 days rainfall will be much lesser than what we are experiencing now. But hopefully the next current of monsoon will pick up, and sooner, within 3 or 4 days, rainfall will start again over Goa.
Okay. Uh, how many total rainfall happened in these 3 days?
See that I'll have to see. That is why I
Okay.
check.
Yeah, direct
So
start.
that total rainfall over North Goa district, that means the average rainfall for North Goa district for June 1st, 2nd and 3rd altogether has been 137 mm, and this same for South Goa has been for the 3 days is 144.8 mm. Now for the entire state of Goa, the state average rainfall cumulative for these 3 days is 141.2 mm. So the average is the normal long period average for these 3 days is actually only 30 mm. So as of now, on these 3 days we have approximately 7 times more rainfall than the usual what the usual first 3 days of June receives.